Today we're checking out this RT Daytona Style Rear Spoiler in black for the 2011 to 23 Chargers. If you want to sharpen up the rear of your Charger and give it a more aggressive factory plus look without spending a fortune, this is one of those style upgrades that makes a big visual impact the second it goes on, so it's definitely worth considering. This spoiler is going to use an RT Daytona inspired design, so the big feature on this one is pretty simple. It gives the rear of the car a much sportier, more performance-minded appearance without going too overboard. It brings an aerodynamic benefit, helping increase rear downforce at higher speeds, giving the car a more planted feel at those higher speeds. This is going to make it a good fit, not just for someone chasing that more aggressive look, which this will achieve, but also for somebody who wants the car to feel a little more purposeful and track inspired. Another nice feature here is that it comes in black, but it can also be paint matched if you want a more custom body color look later, or if you want a contrasty pop of color on the back of the car, it's ready for a paint job right out of the box. When it comes to the construction on this one, you're going to be getting heavy duty ABS plastic with a matte black finish. That ABS build helps keep things strong enough for long-term use while still giving you a nice balance of durability and manageable weight for a rear spoiler application. Now, as far as the price goes on this, it's coming in right in that $100 price range. That's a really solid value for a rear spoiler that can completely change the look of the back of the car and add a little extra aerodynamic benefit at the same time. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a soft 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since you have to do some drilling to get it installed, and you can have this job done in just 2 hours of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
All right, here are the tools that we use today. Allen key to remove the original. This is a 3/16 inch Allen key which removed our original spoiler. Pry bar, trim pry bar to remove the pins that were on the deck lid holding the carpet in place. Our ratchet and our 10mm deep socket right there. And last tool I used was a hammer to help push those pins into place to keep our carpet on our deck lid secure. Today we will be replacing a dull faded spoiler on a 2012 Dodge Charger. So we will show you all the steps that you need and tools that will be used for the process. In the trunk you will see 2 trim screws here that you can unscrew by hand to help you remove the carpet. There's one on each side. You will take both of these out as your first step of the process. Next, you will notice that underneath there is a cover for your lights on the back of your deck lid. There is right here a pin holding them in. You will need a pin remover tool, something like this, to get up under here and pry the pin out, and this will come down. You can save that pin or use new ones. We will repeat the same process on the other side as well. Remove the pin and this little cap comes off. Once that is done, you're just going to simply pull the carpet down. The release latch will feed right through. You do not have to remove anything from the sides. You will have enough room to get to the 2 bolts that are holding the spoiler on. Those 2 bolts are located, one right here and one up inside there on both sides of the car. You can either use a socket set with an 11mm socket or a simple 3/16 Allen key in this case to undo the bolts. I'm just going to use the Allen key and start to remove the bolts from each side. Do be careful that you do not drop them down in. If you drop them down in, they will be rattling around inside your trunk lid. Once those are removed from one side, you'll come over to the other side and repeat the same process. You do want to hold the spoiler while you are doing this Uh-oh, I dropped one. Well, it'll be rattling around inside the car for a while now. And our last one, which is tricky to get to. And once you get it pretty much loose, you can just use your hands, and you can then remove the real rear spoiler. All right, to install the new spoiler, it is a little different setup than the other that we just removed. This one has posts in the bottom that will go through the holes on the top of the deck lid. So I'm going to just shut the trunk and place these in. Now hopefully they will line up or be close enough where I might have to use some force to get them in on both sides. It looks like that is going to be the case. They are close, so I'm going to attempt to get all four down in securely to the deck lid like such. These do come with a set of bolts and washers, size 10 millimeter. So to install them, I will use a ratchet with the extension and the 10 millimeter socket on the end to place them back inside the car, back to the same areas where we removed the other pins. Okay, I am just going to hand tighten as far as I can for now. I may need to grab a deeper socket if I can find one, which hopefully I can. So I'm going to go to the opposite side, install one of the washers and nuts over here. This one is a little tougher to get my hands in, so I'll just use my socket with the washer on it. Like that. And finish up with the last one. Passenger side over here. And this one you can reach a lot easier. So I will just start this one by hand. Like that. Now, like I said, I am going to need to find a deeper 10 millimeter socket in order to get these tightened down so the spoiler doesn't flap around and rattle while it is being driven. All right, back with the deep socket to get these nuts tightened up. I might need to remove the extension to get this one in there a little better. And that side is on nice and snug. We'll come over to the driver's side. Repeat the process. You don't really need, if you have the deep socket, you should not need the extension. And one more bolt for the spoiler. So we eliminate any rattle from the spoiler. And that is nice and tight. The last thing we want to do is get our carpet back up in place. Like I said, you could have saved your previous pins from when we took out these little covers. I bought a set of trim removal tools that came with a bunch of new clips. So I'll just be using those. So we're just going to put our screws back in. Over here, make sure that this carpet is back in place. And we just tighten these down by hand. And the same on this side. Right. Next we will replace our covers here. They cover where your light bulbs would go. I will be using some new pins that came in a set of tools that I had. All right, we're gonna replace these covers. There's a little hole that will slide into. Put our cover on, covers our light bulb for the back, and we're gonna put our pins in here. Now these are tough and tricky to get in. You might have to twist to get it started to hold and use a hammer if your pins aren't lining up and going in easily, like this one seems to not be doing for me. So I'll twist it up in here as far as I can and see if I can't hammer it in, and now it is in and secure. We'll do the same thing on the other side. The driver's side, little pin here on the back, and there's a little hole. It'll slide in, push up, place our pin. So these are a little bigger than the ones that came in. There we go, I heard it click. I can get it started by just twisting and hammer the rest into place, securing the carpet to the trunk. That is our complete install. Our spoiler is on, it is tight, and we are finished.
That's gonna wrap up our review and install of the RT Daytona Style Rear Spoiler in black for the 2011 to 23 Chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.